Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. It is a Friday. And yeah, let's go up to the studio.
Tails and heads.
Tails and heads?
Tails and tails.
We're heads.
Oh, it's here.
There's a head and a tail.
Head and a tail.
You call that?
Me.
You call it, yeah.
Because it's a higher chance to get that.
Okay.
It's a higher chance to get that rather than two of the same.
Is it?
Yeah, because you have you can get head and tails, and then you can get tails and heads. But it you producer you.
You've got that can happen and that can happen.
But only once you can get head and head and tails and tails.
Okay.
So there should be a lower payout for that. If it was a roulette wheel, there'd be a lower payout for that particular thing.
Okay, I think
What do you
heads
call
and
it?
tails. Heads and tails.
I'm going to hustle you. Heads and tails. The higher payout, I'm going to go tails and tails. Say that. This is Pete who forgot to take his winnings off a single number on roulette, and then it fucking came in again.
And won again.
The winnings that he left on there.
What?
Came in.
You guys laughing. You just doubled your money without even knowing.
Who's 50 quid is this
I'm
on one
walking off.
number?
See ya! You just won again.
You forgot to take your winnings and gambled them all. It's like, oh, okay. 35 times £50. But yeah, whatever it is. Right, so
We're inventing a game.
No, the Australians invented it.
No, we're not taking credit for this.
Australia's invented it, the Brits are improving it.
Story of their lives.
They invented it, but it's like a pub game unlicensed. We're creating the legal version. Like, right in the
We have bookies and all.
We just made it boring. It's meant to be a pub swilling fun game. No, it's like,
I'll go head dot tails.
Do you know what's interesting? How big these packs can go. Chocolate digestive's amazing. But no, do you know what's interesting? It's 3:30 and there's nobody in the treehouse. Everybody had something to do outside of the office. So pretty much everybody popped out and it's just me in here. Which is a bit depressing. I just did a little bit of work. There's a job that I pitched for just now. See if it happens. It's for the record photography of some TV pilot thing. It's for teens. It's fantasy and drama and interesting. No, it's kind of interesting. So Ruby, what's going on?
I'm eating some nibbly bits before we go to the cinema, so I'm not going, oh, I'm hungry.
Cinema. Get a shot. Oh, she's the shot. It's quite an impressive shot. Alright, so we found the two ducks in the park. Yeah, right there. And we're gonna have, well, she's gonna have something. And we're gonna go see a movie. We're seeing Dark Tower tonight. Turns out it's the premiere. I didn't know. I didn't know. It's the premiere of the Dark Tower. So
We didn't even know when we booked it.
we didn't know what's going on. What's happening?
You're doing the bit.
What was that?
Bit.
Ah.
You know it's
See.
about.
We have like 20 minutes before the movie.
20 minutes?
Probably.
Oh.
Let's go to see the big screen.
No, we'll get got by the mat.
Just let's go see the big screen.
There's
There's a movie on the big screen.
We're going into this, what we're actually doing.
Big screen. And that's everything, everybody. Let's go home.
You see,
That's enough.
this is why it's too far away. Look, that bit.
Oh yeah, that bit's a bit. That bit's not bad. Hey Ruby.
Hi, Eddie.
How are you, Ruby?
I'm good.
What do you think about the movie?
I think it was really good fun.
Yeah?
Really good fun. Enjoyed that a lot. Yeah, the long discussion about art after I mentioned that it wasn't a high art movie. But ooh!
Good night, Ruby.